Hey growers, you're watching SmartFarm documentary. Sugar is one of the most common ingredients in the world. From morning coffee to baked desserts and countless processed foods, sugar plays an essential role in modern diets. But behind every spoonful of sweetness lies a long agricultural and industrial journey. In the United States, particularly in states such as Louisiana and Florida, vast fields of sugarcane supply millions of tons of raw material each year for the sugar industry. These regions benefit from warm climates, fertile soil, and advanced farming systems that allow farmers to cultivate sugarcane efficiently on a large scale. However, producing sugar is far more complex than simply harvesting a plant. It involves months of careful cultivation. Large-scale mechanized harvesting and sophisticated factory processing to transform raw sugarcane into refined white sugar. Today we explore the full journey of sugar production, from planting and caring for sugarcane in the fields to the refining process that creates the sugar used in homes around the world. The life cycle of sugar begins in the fields with the planting of sugarcane. Unlike many crops grown from seeds, sugarcane is planted using sections of mature cane stalks, known as cane sets. Each set typically measures between 12 and 18 inches long and contains several buds capable of developing into new plants. Before planting begins, farmers prepare the soil through deep plowing and tilling. This step loosens compacted soil, improves drainage, and allows sugarcane roots to grow more freely. Modern tractors and agricultural machinery are capable of preparing large areas of land in a short period of time. Researchers and agricultural scientists also play an important role in sugarcane production. Through laboratory analysis and genetic research, they develop improved varieties that offer higher sugar content, disease resistance, and better adaptability to different climates. Once the land is prepared, planting machines move across the fields, creating straight furrows. The cane sets are placed horizontally inside these furrows and then covered with soil. Proper spacing ensures that each plant has enough room to develop strong root systems and tall stalks. After planting, sugarcane enters a long growth cycle that typically lasts about 10 to 12 months. Water management is critical during this period. Sugarcane requires large amounts of water, particularly during early growth stages. Modern farms often use drip irrigation systems, which deliver water directly to the root zone through networks of tubes and emitters. This approach reduces water waste while maintaining consistent soil moisture. In some areas, sprinkler systems are also used to simulate rainfall and distribute water evenly across large fields. Nutrient management is another key factor. Farmers apply fertilizers rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium to promote strong stalk growth and maximize sugar production. Weed control is also essential. Mechanical weeders equipped with rotating blades remove competing plants without damaging the sugarcane. These machines allow farmers to maintain healthy crops while reducing manual labor. After nearly a year of growth, sugarcane reaches maturity and the harvest season begins. In the past, many farms burned the fields before harvesting. The controlled burning removed dry leaves and made manual harvesting easier. However, due to environmental concerns and improved technology, this practice has largely been replaced by mechanized harvesting. Modern sugarcane harvesters are large machines designed to cut clean and process cane stalks directly in the field. As the harvester moves through the rows, sharp rotating blades cut the cane close to the ground. The machine then lifts the stalks onto conveyors where excess leaves and plant material are removed. The cleaned stalks are chopped into smaller pieces and temporarily stored inside the harvester's holding compartment before being transferred into trucks driving alongside the machine. This highly automated process allows farms to harvest enormous volumes of sugarcane quickly and efficiently, while minimizing waste. Once harvested, the cane must be transported to processing facilities as quickly as possible, since sugarcane begins to lose sugar content soon after being cut. When sugarcane arrives at the processing plant, it enters a complex industrial system designed to extract and refine sugar. The first stage is cleaning. Cane stalks pass through washing systems that remove soil dust and other impurities. Next, the cane is chopped and fed into powerful crushing machines. These machines use large rollers to squeeze out the sugary juice contained inside the plant fibers. After extraction, the remaining fibrous material is called bagasse. Instead of being discarded, bagasse is often used as fuel for factory boilers' paper production or biodegradable materials. The extracted sugarcane juice still contains impurities and must be clarified. Lime is added to the juice to neutralize unwanted compounds and allow impurities to settle. The clarified juice then moves into large evaporators where water is gradually removed through heating. As the liquid becomes more concentrated, it transforms into a thick syrup rich in dissolved sugar. To begin the crystallization process, small sugar crystals are added to the syrup. As the solution cools, sugar molecules gather around these seed crystals and begin forming larger crystals. The mixture of crystals and syrup is then placed into high-speed centrifuges. These machines spin rapidly, separating the solid sugar crystals from the remaining liquid molasses. The sugar crystals are still moist at this stage and must be dried in specialized dryers before moving to packaging lines. After drying the sugar, crystals are sorted and packaged for distribution. Some sugar remains in its raw form, which has a slightly golden color. However, to produce the refined white sugar commonly used in households, an additional purification process is required. Raw sugar is dissolved again in hot water and passed through filtration systems containing sand gravel and activated carbon. These filters remove remaining color and impurities. The purified solution is then crystallized once more and centrifuged to produce bright white sugar crystals. Finally, The sugar is dried, weighed, and packaged using automated systems that fill bags or sacks with precise measurements. Beyond sugar production, the byproducts of sugarcane processing are also valuable. Bagasse can be used to produce biodegradable plates, bowls, and packaging materials, providing an environmentally friendly alternative to plastic. It can also be fermented and used as livestock feed, helping reduce agricultural waste. The sugar industry depends on the work of thousands of people across multiple sectors. Farmers dedicate months to cultivating healthy sugarcane crops. Engineers design and maintain the machines that harvest and process the cane. Factory technicians oversee complex refining systems that transform plant juice into refined sugar. Together, these workers form a massive agricultural and industrial network that supports rural economies and supplies food industries worldwide. Modern agricultural technology has also improved efficiency while reducing environmental impact through better irrigation systems, improved crop varieties, and more sustainable production methods. The journey of sugar begins in the warm fields where sugarcane grows under careful management and favorable climate conditions. After months of cultivation, powerful harvesting machines collect the mature cane and deliver it to processing factories where advanced technology extracts and refines the sugar. What finally appears in kitchens as small white crystals is the result of an extraordinary chain of agricultural expertise, engineering, and human effort. The next time you add sugar to your coffee or use it in cooking, remember that behind that simple sweetness lies a long and fascinating journey from the sugarcane fields to your table.